If you have a wallet and want to track your portfolio across multiple blockchains without giving out your privacy or security, check out my app. It's called Road to Crypto and you're going to love it. Hey, ArturoFM here. Alright, so you've signed up for thousands of airdrops and you waited for ages, you didn't receive anything. I know. How do I know? Because been there, done that. But fortunately for you, I'm going to cover in this video how you can get all these airdrops, free, legit airdrops for free. I'm going to be covering the easiest type of airdrops first, and then we're going to go to the more complex ones. Remember this, just like in life, easy doesn't mean better. In this case, it applies very much. The hardest ones are the good airdrops, but we're going to be covering the easiest one. And just note, this one that I'm going to be covering right now, I don't do it personally. I'm just covering because it is a legit type of airdrop. But yeah, let's get into it. So this page here is called CoinMarketCap. It's very known. If you've been in crypto for quite a while, then you know this page. If you go to products, not products, where is it? In calendar, free airdrops, you're going to have a list here of all the airdrops. Now you can click on one and then it's going to show you here at the bottom, join this airdrop. Basically here, like I mentioned in another video, here they're just trying to grab your attention to the project, link you to the project, grab as many users as possible. So here they're going to ask you for a lot of information. Let me get another one. They're going to be asking you for a lot of your information that is going to be tied to you. So what I did is I created a watch list that is public and is full of the junk of airdrops. So I just click here and then it will be added to that junk list. In follow, if I right click this, open a new tab, it's going to take me to a fake, it's still mine, but you know, it's kind of the junk stuff. Twitter account that I created, and then I can just follow it there. And then it's going to ask you to follow the actual project that you're applying for the airdrop. And then you just follow that. Who cares? It's a junk account, right? You don't want to pour all this junk into your actual account unless you actually believe on the project. Now, I want to mention that I do not do these airdrops, type of airdrops anymore. I participated like in 20, 30 of those and I didn't get a single coin, not a single coin. I believe that all these airdrops are happening just to get your information, and it's just not worth the time to get like $5 of airdrop. So let's cover some other good ways to receive free money, free airdrops. So this one, I really like it because, so you got to learn, earn, because you learn about the project, and usually what is listed here are good projects that have a feature. So you scroll down and then you see here, perpetual protocol. So this campaign is live. So you guys can still earn this. So if you go here, you're gonna have to watch some videos and then you're gonna learn about the projects. Just like I mentioned before at the beginning of the video, this is one type of airdrop, and let me whitelist. I don't have it. And then I don't know how this one works, but it's very likely that you're gonna have to do a test or something like that. But anyway, you guys have 13 days to complete, and it's basically just watching a video. You learn about the projects. Look, let me show you a good one here. So they did a band protocol, they did this Kava, they did Terra Luna. Terra is a good project, Helium is a good project. I'm not very familiar with this one. The Graph is a really good Web3 API, really good. 1inch is another good project. Nervous, good project. Polka started, good project. SushiSwap. So the vast majority of projects that are listed here are good ones. So you not only are learning about it, but you're also receiving free tokens, free money that you can just hold there and wait like 1-2 years, and you're gonna be on the moon with those coins. All right, so the next one would be on Coinbase. So let me transfer here, and whoops, I don't know why it didn't pop up. Coinbase, earn. There you go. So this is another way to earn your crypto. So once you go here, once you have a Coinbase account, you can basically like get free money. So you have here $3, $3, $3, $3. So if you sum it up, it's gonna be like $50 in total. So that is another good way. Another one that I want to show you is Fimex. I have been using this app lately with the margin and the contracts, and it's super fun. But anyway, here regarding the airdrops, this is very similar to CoinMarketCap and Coinbase. You just watch the video and then you earn some cryptocurrency, for example $2. And honestly, if you sum up all these websites, you could live with about like between $100 and $200 easily. And that is coins that you have there seated on your wallet. If you wait like 1 or 2 years, those $100 could become $2,000. All right, so those are the easy airdrops. And now we're going to level up a little bit. And this kind of airdrops that I'm going to show you right now is based on you doing the research, and you have to be following people. One person that you can follow is this guy that you have right in front of the screen. You can follow me on Twitter, where I post most of this stuff when airdrops are happening, and then you will be informed. But I recommend you that you follow a lot of people that are into the crypto area, so you can be informed of the stuff that is happening. So I got into this project because of another person that I'm following that was saying that at some point this company is planning to give an airdrop to the users that have been using their platform for quite some time. And this is going to be based on the level that you have here. So every time that you do one of the weekly challenges here, you level up. For example, this is the one that I'm doing. So all you have to do is just every single day, just go here, you claim this one here, like, you know, you're using the platform, and that's it. You don't have to spend any money or anything like that. You just click here and that's it. There are other things like adding or removing liquidity. If you do this in Polygon, it's going to cost you cents, and you can earn like 750 XP. I already did this one last week. I don't recommend doing this exchange because you're going to lose money there. Probably, you know, you're going to be exchanging for more than 1% slippage. I don't know if they let you change it, but I just wouldn't do it. Then setting this avatar here is just, you're going to be paying for the gas fees on Ethereum. It's just not worth it either. Remember what I said about following people? Well, in this case, me. So I posted on my Twitter that this airdrop was happening, and you still have time. You still have time. So in my Twitter, there's a post here. So if you click on Block Academia, you're gonna be taken to this site, and let me go to the post, and basically they're giving out some ACI tokens, which are going to be listed in about 2 days, so you still have time. So if you go here and then you register your account and so on, you can claim about 10 tokens of those. So imagine if this token starts listing for about $1, and then you get 10, and then in 1 year it goes to $100. Well, you now have 10 tokens times 100. It is free. You didn't have to do anything, just register an account there, and that's it. There are many others that I usually post here, and also funny videos and so on. So just follow me there. All right, guys, this is another one, and I hope that you continue to watch, because if you didn't and you're missing this part, you're going to miss out from a big project. something huge that you're going to be able to double your money. This is an NFT airdrop, and I did post it as well. It is of a gaming in crypto that is going to happen, and here's the airdrop, and you can just click my profile in the description and just go to that airdrop and earn an NFT that may be tradable in the future of this project that I'm following very close. Now, if I have to give you a summary of one single airdrop that is huge, that is just a legit, a very, very good airdrop, I would say these are crowd loans. So crowd loans are a way for you to support a project, a Polkadot project that is happening in a fundraising for that to be part of Polkadot ecosystem. So it's a way for you to support a project by providing your dot coins to that crowd loans. Of course, you're not giving out your dot coins. You're just sort of like putting it into a pool, and in that pool, just staying there that you support that project. So this is the best way for you to get airdrops, legitimate airdrops. A project that is launching and is given this opportunity usually gives you some of their coins for you to support these crowd loans. So what I would do, I'm not going to cover how to get into this crowd loan because it involves several steps. You have to fund your wallet, and then you have to deposit, and it's another video. But I just want to be aware that these crowd loans are the best way to get free, legitimate airdrops of projects that you believe that are going to be a success in the future. So look into this, crowd loans, look into the projects that are launching. I'm going to tell you two right now. One is Moonbeam, the one that you're seeing right now. And the other one was Moonriver and Akala. Those two are part of the Polkadot ecosystem, and you need to be aware of those. See you in the next one.